representing my system for the organization X. So this will be the home page. Immediately you click on the website, this is where it will take you. So for our video, you can click register or login on your top right, but for this video we're first gonna register. I'm gonna use an email that's already there, just to show that it doesn't allow this two same emails to log in on the system. So just to elaborate, registered on the system, so if I register it now, it won't allow me to. So I'm just doing it to show you that I don't know if you can see the emails don't match. I made that on purpose so that you can see that when you try to register, it will tell you that the password don't match. So I just added a number, and then now I'm gonna erase the number. For user, because for user it's a little bit more simpler. And then again, it tells you username Vusi for Jobs is already taken. So this is what I was trying to show, that you can't use the same email twice. So we're gonna have to use another email address, one that hasn't been registered to the system. So yeah, then as the user, this is what you're allowed to do. This is what you will be able to see. For admin, it's also different. And I see there on your top right, it's saying hello testing at gmail.com. And as the user, this is what you'll be able to do. You'll be able to go to home, check our privacy, and check the employee data, which I'm gonna do right now. Let's wait for it to load. Here, the user will be able to access the employees and be able to check the details, age, attribution, business travel, daily rate, etc. To see a little bit more into detail, you'll have to scroll by the bottom. As you can see, I'm scrolling to the right, the bottom, scrolling to the right to see more details. And when you get to your far right, you'll be able to click on details to see details of a particular employee, just to get a clear view. These are the details of employee 2. So yeah, you'll be able to see everything here about employee 2. And when you're done checking employee 2 or any other employee that the user has chosen to check, you'll be able to click on back to list and back to the employee data page. See, this is where we are. You can also click, as the user, you can also click on analytics just to check the analytics. As the user, you do not have access to the data analytics, hence it's going to say denied. That would only be allowed for admin. So I clicked that on purpose so that you can see that the user is not allowed to check the analytics of our system, since they're just the user, not part of the admin. So as the user, you will be given limited access. The only thing you can do is check employee data and privacy and just a few things, and then From here, I think I should log out and register as the admin, so you can see what the admin can do. For now, I'm gonna go to the home page, and yeah, we've been here. So I'm gonna log out, so we can create. So it's back to the home page for someone who hasn't logged in any of the of the system. So you can choose login or register, but we're gonna register as the admin, so you can see the full access of the admin. And just to show you again, if you would try to use the same email, testing@gmail.com, it will be denied. It has already been used, already registered in the system. See, it will give you username testing@gmail.com has already been taken. So we're gonna use another one for the admin, because you can use the same email twice. Or the one we're gonna use now is testing2@gmail.com. So password. Because it has to, save the details to the database. So immediately you log in as the admin to take you straight to the home page. It's the same one as the user, but with more access. So we can start by checking the employee list. The employee list has been loaded. The admin has access to everything. The employee number, age, attribution, business travel, exactly like the user, but with more accessibility. And scroll to the right, and then you will see the admin has the privilege to check details, edit, and delete an employee from the list. So first of all, we'll check with details. See, the employee number 2 has been loaded, and then you can say back to list. Back to the employee list, same check. Back to the employee list. The admin can also choose to edit. This is employee number 2. See, it had age was 49, attribution was no. I'm just gonna change it to yes, so you can see that it will be travel. We're gonna change it to rarely, and our employee rate, we're just gonna increase it here to 400. And yeah, we can also change life sciences to years with current manager. Let's just say 5. Yeah, you can change you can literally change anything from here, and then when you're done, employee number 2 has been edited. See, it's now travel rarely instead of travel frequently. The education field is no longer life sciences, it's BSc IT. It's no longer a male, it's now female. hourly rate is now 100. What else did we change? Yeah, I think that's most about it, the things that we change. But you can change anything, literally anything. And now, after we just edited employee number 2, we're gonna delete to show that admin can delete on the list. So we're gonna delete employee number 2, which is the first one, just to confirm the delete. At least it takes you here so that you can see every single detail to make sure that you're deleting the right person, instead of making a mistake and deleting employee number 3 or 4 for that matter. At least here you can be sure that you're deleting employee number 2 on the list. To the list, to the employee list, you'll see that employee number 2 has been deleted. So the details of employee number 2 are no longer there, as the admin has deleted the employee. Now to create a new employee, to add employee details, you just click on create new, and then you'll see this home page, so you can start editing the employee details. Employee number, we'll just say number 1, age 37, attribution no, it's supposed to be no, business travel. Current position 2, then here's industrial 2, here's with current manager 3, and then when you're done filling the form here, you just click on create, and then it will load. Take a little bit of time because it has to edit the new employee. You just have to scroll all the way down. Yeah. We created employee number 1, age 37, travel frequently, and all the details for employee 1 are here. The employee will be at the bottom because it was the last employee to be created, to be added to the list. So all the information is here, and these employees are just the ones I was using to test while I was testing my program before the final one. So yeah, that's all the employee the admin can do, and they can also check analytics. And then yes, this total number, like the total number of records, not relating to user and everything. And then that's it for my system. And now to get into the technical stuff. As for the technical stuff, as I've shown on the interface and everything, for this project I use web application developer because it has easy maintenance and it links up well with easily with C# and HTML. For me, it also has easy and beautiful interfaces. For instance, these colors and easy accessibility to the databases. For source control platform, I used the largest one, GitHub, because for me it hosts and gives easily access to the code, all the changes that can be made here. It will keep track of all of them easily, and everyone can access the code if I give them permission to do that. A simple design because it's easy to understand, edit. As you can see, it's easy to edit here for every ISA, and simple colors for everyone to see, not too bright, not too dark. I implemented the design using web application interface. And for architectural pattern, I use a client server pattern because it works better with multiple clients, i.e. users and admin. It was successfully implemented because I can register lots of clients. As you can see here, there's a lot of clients. For solid principles, I adhere to the solid principles as every developer should, especially the interface segregation principle. I made the system to be robust and easy to maintain and expand it when necessary if I have to, for instance, expand the system here. The databases as shown here on your far right. The databases, new data can be created using the site as shown above and here for edit. There's no search function, but there's a details function here where it shows live data of the employee. Data can easily be deleted, added. You can easily add new data or update details. The site uses hashed passwords, which made them very strong, and also it checks to make sure if the password is the right password, and if you're registering, it checks if the initial password that you use is the same as the confirmation password to make sure you use the right password. And I used a row level security as it's applied on my system. For instance, the user is limited, has limited access, but the admin has a variety of accesses. It can access analytics and can delete and can add new users, unlike the normal user who can just check for employee list and go to the home button, and that's all. As we are running out of time, I would sum it up as this was a good system, and it did almost everything that it was required, and it can add new employees, delete, edit, and easy to maintain. Thank you.